Welcome back to Silicophilic. I was working on an important Word document. I double-clicked it to open, but instead Microsoft Word displayed Word cannot open the document. User does not have access privileges. This error is usually caused by Windows permissions or security settings, and it's often easy to fix. In this video, I will show you the most effective solutions. Let's get started. Grant yourself full access to the Word file. First, locate the Word document that's showing the error. Right-click on the file and select Properties. Next, open the Security tab. At the bottom of the window, click Advanced. If Windows asks for administrator permission, click Continue. Once the Advanced Security Settings window opens, click Add. Now select a principal option. Click Advanced once again. Then click Find Now on the right side. Windows will display a list of users and groups. Scroll and find authenticated users. Select it and click OK. If you don't see authenticated users, you can manually type authenticated users. Click Check Names and then click OK. Now you will return to the permission entry window. Under Basic Permissions, enable Full Control. This automatically grants all required permissions including read, write, modify, read and execute, list folder contents. Once full control is checked, click OK. Then click Apply followed by OK to save the changes. Close all the windows and try opening the Word document again. Repair Microsoft Office. Press Windows + R, type appwiz.cpl and press Enter. Locate Microsoft Office, click Change, choose Repair, wait for the repair to finish. Follow the on-screen prompts to finish the process. Remove Deny Permissions. Open the document properties following the previous method. Open the Security tab, click Edit. Look through the list of users and groups. If you notice any deny permissions enabled, especially for read or full control, uncheck the deny checkboxes to allow them. Click Apply and then OK. Now reopen the document and check. Remove document properties and personal information. If the document was copied from another computer or downloaded from another source, its ownership information may cause permission conflicts. Open the Word document properties, open the Details tab, click Remove Properties and Personal Information. Choose Create a copy with all possible properties removed. Click OK. Open this newly created file and check if it opens normally. Check Windows Security's ransomware protection. Press the Windows key, type Windows Security and open it. From the left pane, click Virus and Threat Protection. Scroll down and select Manage Ransomware Protection. If Controlled Folder Access is turned on, click Allow an app through Controlled Folder Access. Grant permission in the UAC prompt. Select Add an allowed app, then choose Recently blocked apps or Browse all apps. Locate Microsoft Word file and add it to the allowed list. If your Word document is stored inside a protected folder such as Documents, Desktop or Pictures, allowing Microsoft Word should restore access. Once you have made the changes, close Windows Security and try opening the document again. If the error still appears, continue with the next method. Disable Inherited Permissions. Right-click the document, select Properties, open the Security tab. Click Advanced, click Disable Inheritance. When prompted, select Convert Inherited Permissions into Explicit Permissions on this object. This keeps the existing permissions while breaking the inheritance from the parent folder, which is usually the safer option. Click Apply then OK to save the changes. Now try opening the Word document again. And that's how you can fix the Microsoft Word error in Windows. In most cases, the issue isn't with the document itself, it's caused by the incorrect file permissions or Windows security settings. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to Silicophilic and turn on the notification bell. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.